Hi again, Dr. Greg Oliver, author of Beat the Fat Genes. When it comes to exercise, there's lots of different things out there, different ways to exercise. Studies have actually shown that the absolute best exercise for health and to lose weight and to increase cardiovascular activity is called HIIT training, H-I-I-T. That's high intensity interval training. Now what that means is you're going to get your exercise up to a very high intense level towards your maximal heart rate, or at least 80% of your maximal heart rate. Then you're going to do it with intermittence. See to it. You're going to maybe walk and then jog, and then walk and then jog, or you might walk and then run, or on a bicycle. It'll be like hill training where you're going straight on a flat terrain and then suddenly you're going uphill for a period of time. And those intervals could be anywhere from 1 minute to 2 minutes to 3 minutes, depending on your stamina and your level of endurance. So HIIT training is really great. Now you got to be careful. If you're carrying around a lot of extra weight, you're not going to jump right to HIIT training. I advise a walking program. But over time, as you lose weight and you increase your stamina, your strength, your endurance, your power, your cardiovascular capacity, you can certainly go to HIIT training. But don't start there if you're not exercising on a regular basis already. Hope that helps you. Talk to you soon.